Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and this is Pizza Hut. We are actually eating in the car. Sometimes we do that and sometimes we eat indoors, but sometimes you just feel like doing something different. So we sit in the car and we eat our pizza. My hubby's having his pizza. How is it?
Delicious.
Delicious. Now I wanted to point out, you see that little triangle here? This is what I use for some tables, miniature tables, and I have a few of these at home, and I always make sure that I take this home when we eat out so I can dress it up with any tabletop, and it makes a great table because of the size for the 1.12 scale miniature creations. So this is a very important piece when we have our pizza here. So my hubby's having the pepperoni and I usually have the plain cheese, and we go through this pie in one sitting. So this is just for two. Well, we are here in Newburgh, the town of Newburgh. There's Pizza Hut there. Up ahead there's McDonald's. And let's see, Dunkin' Donuts. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a Dunkin' Donuts over there. It's probably going to be a copyright with that music. And then there's a Sunoco over there. Then that bus is going to Domino's. There's a Domino's pizza over there. Now, what I like about Domino's is their, their marble brownie fudge. Remember the fudge brownies that we used to?
Yep.
Domino's has it and Pizza Hut doesn't. Anyway, I think that this will be it. I want to eat my pizza before it gets cold. And I wanted to share the idea of this little piece here. You can use these for miniature tables. Alrighty, I think that this will be it. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching.